Welcome to this executive crash course on mastering AI agents in 7 days. Today, in day 2, we will explore the anatomy of an agent and understand how these powerful systems function. To understand agents, we must first recognize the paradigm shift. Unlike simple bots that follow fixed rules, or assistants that require constant supervision, an agent acts autonomously, proactively pursuing complex goals. An agent's anatomy is built on 4 pillars: the brain for reasoning, memory for context, tools for real-world interaction, and a feedback system for self-correction. At the core is the brain, powered by a large language model. It acts as the reasoning engine, evaluating objectives, breaking complex goals into actionable steps, and selecting the right tools. Memory prevents repetitive mistakes. Short-term memory tracks current task context and conversation history, while long-term memory utilizes vector databases to recall historical data and user preferences. Tools provide the system with hands. They allow the agent to browse the live internet, query private databases, trigger external APIs like Slack or CRM, and even write and execute code. Feedback acts as the nervous system. By checking its own work and observing results, the agent can automatically adjust its plans when actions fail, ensuring reliable outcomes. This creates the operational heartbeat, an iterative loop of observing the environment, thinking through the next step, and acting with tools. This cycle repeats until the goal is achieved. It is important to match the agent to the problem, ranging from simple reflex agents following rules to advanced multi-agent systems designed to solve highly complex challenges. Multi-agent systems function like a digital company. A planner analyzes, an executor writes code, and a reviewer checks the output, maximizing efficiency through distributed problem-solving. When building, choose your path. No-code visual builders are best for standard workflows, while code-first frameworks like LangChain or Crew AI are necessary for complex, custom applications. Finally, implement executive guardrails. Keep tasks atomic, require human approval for high-stakes actions, and start with low-precision tasks. Remember, humans provide the judgment, while agents provide the execution.